Sa quick statement for the information of the body, yung mga recommendations ng minority group for MyFIP and AIX have been suspended. Pag may lumalapit sa amin na pasyente, hindi na kami pwedeng sinabi sa website ng DOH at DSWD, hindi napapansinin yung recommendation namin. So for the body's information and for the information of the Senate President. So like in my case, for over a decade, ang daming pumupunta sa akin, humihingi ng tulong. And just in the last few months, this has been weaponized against us. In the case of Senator Amy and Senator Bongo, years na yata. I'm just saying, Mr. President, for the record. So sa akin lang naman po, kung ang ibang kasamahan natin pwede namang makatulong sa mga kababayan, bakit yung iba sa amin hindi pwedeng mag-recommend? Hindi na ho ba kami marunong mag-recommend? Yung mga lumalapit ba sa amin are less of Filipino citizens? Yun lang naman po sa akin. Kasi sobra akong na-shock na nagkagano na tayo I hope the Senate President can do something about this. In fairness, napakabait sa akin nung inyong kapatid. I think nakita naman niya yung magandang loob ko nung dinefend ko yung kanyang budget. So it's not on him. I don't know kung saan nanggagaling ang utos na yan.
Yes, well, ang Senate naman is recommendatory. Of course, we just recommend and we'll look into this
Mr. President,
matter.
we've done it before during my time as Senate President, also Senator Cheese's time as Senate President, and also Senator Soto, as a matter of fact. He had put funds here in the Action Center for the senators, regardless of political color, Mr. President. Let's allow we definitely should give a budget to that. And whoever senator requests for assistance for the patients that go, hindi talaga mawawala, Mr. President. Meron talagang pasyente pumupunta sa amin. Sana dito na sa Senado,
Yes,
pwede nating tulungan, regardless of political color, Mr. President.
Meron tayong Public Assistance Center na pwedeng lumapit yung ating mga constituents to ask for help. At galing yan sa institution as recommendation, no? Dahil nagre-recommend tayo sa mga different executive agencies. So we'll look into that also and we'll revive that concept. Maganda yung concept because Senate as an institution ang tumutulong.
Tsaka fair yung Senate President, Mr. President. Fair yung Senate President natin na yun, regardless of political color or
Fair
affiliation.
naman lahat ng Senate President.
Dapat tulungan
Lalo na
po
ikaw,
natin. Dapat
majority
tulungan
leader.
natin sila, Mr. President. I totally agree.
Mr. President, just to add to the discussion, totoo po yan. I know that we've had discussions internally. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng past and current Senate President because of that funding. But again, this goes to the point that I was also raising with a good sponsor that laging kulang. So alam nyo yan, pagkatapos pumunta sa opisina ng isang senador, pupunta din sa opisina ng ibang senador kasi nga, kulang. So, Mr. President, pagpunta nila dun sa baba, dun sa general fund na ng Senate office, iisa-isahin pa rin nila yung mga opisina ng mga senador kasi kulang ang pondo. That's the whole point. Kulang. So, yun lang. I just wanted to emphasize that bakit naman yung recommendatory power pag naging minority ka, wala nang validity, wala nang respeto doon. Yun lang naman kasi pare-pareho naman tayong senador, pare-pareho naman tayong naninilbihan sa mga kababayan natin.
Thank you for that. Yes, Senator, before we recognize the sponsor, we recognize the former Senate President, Senator Tito Soto.
Thank you, Mr. President. May I know if the period of amendment is closed already?
Not yet. We're
We're
still
still-
in the period of amendments.
What page are we in now, Mr. President?
We are actually page 3. But since Senator P already terminated her proposal, we are actually near the closing of the period of amendments.
Well, thank you, Mr. President. If you don't mind, then it will distinguished lady favor me with a very tiny
Mr. President.
observation on my part. Just as I was having a conversation with Senator Rafi Tulfo in the lounge, and we were, of course, monitoring the amendment, there was an amendment on the I am not sure what line that is, but there was an amendment where you mentioned local government officials who might not support or something like that, will not take action.
The mention of local government officials, Mr. President, was generally in relation to DILG, na kasama po ang DILG sa mga ahensya na dapat ma-coordinate ng DOH dito sa anti-hospital detention law.
Yeah, but you said something to the effect that it will be a simple neglect of duty if they do not. What portion is
The
that?
reference, Mr. President, was to hospital officials or employees.
Hospital
Yes,
officials.
Mr. President, not
All right.
local government officials.
My tiny amendment, Mr. President, is why say simple? Remove the simple. Just make it neglect of duty.
Yes, and Mr.
Why
President,
do we have to call it simple neglect of duty?
I'm sorry, Mr. President, I correct myself. It was in fact the last committee amendment that I proposed on the floor and accepted from the Senate President, actually. So it does mention, the good gentleman, former Senate President is right. It does mention failure of the responsible public official or employee. This is to act on any complaint within the prescribed period. So the question now, why simple neglect of duty
Yes.
and why not neglect of duty?
Yes. Why not remove the Anyway, it's a simple amendment. But,
Yeah, Mr. President, subject to style lang naman yan eh. Styling on the wording.
or
Unless there's
kaya nga eh.
a penal provision
well,
pag simple
according
neglect
to-
of duty and neglect of duty.
Well, according to Senator Lacson, it should be either simple or serious. Or less serious.
Thank you.
So my
I-
question now is, why not just neglect of duty?
I was going, Mr. President, because of the former Senate President's proposed amendment to quickly seek legal advice from my legis, but I see a thumbs up. I just need to clarify, are we accepting neglect of duty or serious neglect of duty? Neglect of duty. Subject to style, Mr. President, this representation accepts the proposed amendment of the good Senate President to amend the simple neglect of duty to neglect of duty, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion to accept the proposal of our former Senate President Tito Soto is hereby approved.
Thank you, Mr.
Subject to
President. Subject to style. And salamat po sa good former Senate President. May isang huling amendment, Mr. President, galing kay Senator Raffy. And he has asked me to read it for him. Page 6 pa rin po, after line 21, a new section 4 subject to style. To read, section 4, tax deductions. The unpaid balance of the hospital bill or medical expense of a financially incapacitated patient after deduction of PhilHealth and other government health assistance benefits, which is guaranteed to facilitate the patient's discharge, shall be deductible from the gross income of such hospital or medical clinic for income tax purposes. And subject to style, Mr. President, I so move.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the amendment is approved.
Salamat, Mr. President.